dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a deep conditioning treatment for hair growth. So we are going to use some herbs which promote hair growth. So subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. These ingredients, they promote hair growth and they've been researched like they do wonders for your hair. So 1 gram of amla, 3 grams of neem, 4 grams of moringa, 3 grams of flaxseed, and 20 grams of our aloe vera. So aloe vera has moisturizing ingredients and it prevents an itchy scalp, it prevents damage, and it will actually promote hair growth. So you can use any type of aloe that you have. So I just plucked 2 leaves of aloe, or you can use a store-bought one. Both, they work very well. So friends, like I love aloe vera very much. So I had mixed it in water and to remove the yellow latex, or rather the hairline, which is the poisonous content. So I've done quite a number of videos on how you can remove the yellow latex or hairline. I'm going to link all the videos in the description box below. So I'm cutting off that part. So aloe vera has been used, for 1,000 years, since as early as 1750 BC, and there are, of course, 450 species of aloe vera. It is a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. So it has many benefits, and it will strengthen your hair, and has active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it's rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play part in healthy hair follicles and controls greasy hair. So aloe has enzymes that break down fats and get rid of any extra oil, which is sebum. And it will also help if you have an itchy scalp, like the boric dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So aloe will also prevent your hair from UV damage. So radiation that comes from the sun, UV exposure, can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. So that is how our aloe looks like. So we are going to put that aside, and then we'll start our neem. So all these ingredients, friends, like all these herbs, they promote hair growth, they nourish your hair, and they will prevent damage, and your hair will be so moisturized. Like all these herbs, I've been using them for quite some time now. And of course, for flax seeds, I had run out of flax seeds, and I recently bought some. And I've been using flaxseed like for more than 2 years now. All these herbs, like they promote hair growth, and they don't miss in my treatments. So now we are adding our clove. So we are in a challenge actually of 1 month clove. So I've been infusing clove. Even I did shampoo clove. So everything clove, friends, because it promotes hair growth. So that is how it looks like. So we are going to put it on fire for at least 20 minutes, and it has started boiling. So it's infused. Well, we don't want to boil it for longer because the nutrients will be dead. You don't want to destroy the nutrients. So now we are putting it in a glass bowl, and we'll have to let it like cool before blending. So friends, at this point, you will need to exercise some patience, because you don't want to put it in a blender while very hot. So it has cooled. Now we are blending it. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like. So the products that we use, like neem, is rich in antioxidants, which is addition to anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great for scalp issues. Will support the growth of healthy hair. The antioxidant properties, neem supports the growth of healthy hair follicles. So the reason why we went for fenugreek and flax seeds is because of the mucilage content. So mucilage is a complex mixture of polysaccharides that form a soothing gelatinous fiber. When water is added, it coats and softens the hair shaft and provides sleep for detangling, and it's so moisturizing. So moringa has many vitamins and minerals, friends. It's a powerhouse for vitamins and minerals, and it promotes hair growth. So all these herbs, like they do wonders for your hair. So now we've gotten a knee high, and we are going to strain. Make sure that you don't skip this step, because if you do, you will have chunks in your hair, and it will be quite a marathon to remove the residues from your hair. So we'll continue pressing. As you can see, like it looks so beautiful. It's so delicious. It's really going to work wonders for our hair. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like. So I decided to do this DIY, friends, but of course I do formulate my own natural hair and body products, and I do sell those body products. Yes, so if you've been long on this channel, you understand that sometimes I do DIY. I just love DIY, which works. So that is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. So now we are adding our amla. So amla will actually add volume to your hair. It will strengthen your hair and it will promote hair growth, and your hair will appear more thicker. So we are combining it, mixing it, and then I'll go in with some oil, some stimulating herbal hair growth oil, which contains grapeseed oil, coconut oil, some rosemary, peppermint, quite a number of herbs and oils which promote hair growth. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like. So you need to incorporate like deep conditioning in your routine if you want to achieve good, healthy, and prevent damage. Your hair uh, will keep like looking soft, and you will prevent damage, friends, because if you don't deep condition, like, your hair will feel limp and dry, and that is a recipe for disaster. So we are adding, I did actually add 2 grams of our oils. Yes, make sure that you add all, because this will actually help with sleep, and it will also promote hair growth. So I also added some black cumin oil. I've done quite a number of videos on black cumin. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that we can check it out. All these videos that I'm mentioning, friends, make sure that you watch them because they are very informative and you will love them. So you know what, friends, in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. Or if you want to be seeing more of such videos, make sure that you subscribe, share this video, give this video a like, and comment in the section below. So I love how it is coming out. Look at that, friends. It's so beautiful. I love it. So that is our final product. We are ready to use it, and I'm super excited because you know what, friends, I'm trying to grow out my hair. Yeah, so I'll be doing everything in sections. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. So I always deep condition my hair after washing it. So comment in the section below, friends, like how often do you deep condition your hair? So like I deep condition my hair every time I wash it. So my routine is actually every 2 weeks, or depending on what I'm doing. So if I'm in a challenge, let's say if I'm doing twists for 1 month, then it means I'll deep condition once per month. But if I'm not, I do it every 2 weeks. But of course, it's been 3 weeks since I had washed and deep conditioned my hair. So now we are deep conditioning, to revamp the moisture and to promote boost hair growth. So I'll detangle at the same time. So that is some shady hair and some tangles coming out. So once I'm done with that section, then I move on to another section. So continue watching this video, friends. Don't go away. So I really thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So make sure that you avoid applying your deep conditioner on your scalp, friends. Never should you apply a deep conditioner on your scalp. Deep conditioner is meant for your hair strands, and then shampoo is for your scalp. So this is how I apply on the roots. As you can see, I don't, apply it on the scalp, but on the roots of the hair like so. Have you seen? You need to be cautious and then work it through. Once you comb, finger comb, or you can even use a white tooth comb, but I only use the hands because I feel they're very gentle and we're trying to retain some length and some volume. So I only finger detangle. So comment in the section below, friends, if you do finger detangle or the benefits, or probably you use combs or detangling brushes. I'm yet to try out some detangling brushes. So friends, like my hair is growing. If you belong on this channel, like my hair was short. Of course, I had beautiful long hair, but it started breaking. That's how I embarked on this journey of not using any heat I only apply heat when I'm deep conditioning my hair. So if you want to grow your hair, make sure that you are using your shampoo on the scalp, you detangle, you deep condition your hair, and be ahead of moisture and avoid high maintenance hairstyles. Also avoid the heat because it will actually, damage your hair. And I love, using different kinds of treatments and herbs which promote hair growth. So like all these treatments that I share on this channel, friends, like have been researched. I love researching very much. So I don't just bring a video or which haven't been researched. So I do research, friends. Yes. So I've already done the work for you. All you have to do is, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and support me. You can actually sponsor my video in any way or my channel in any way you feel is okay with you. And I'll be very, very happy for that. Yes, and I'm happy, friends, because also our channel is growing. So my goal is 1,000 subscribers, friends. We can do this, right? We can. Yes, friends. So now we are almost done. Like this deep conditioner, like really worked well, friends. Like it has a lot of sleep and very, very moisturizing. Like my hair was very, very soft after rinsing it out. So I'm going to sit under a bonnet hair dryer, friends. So if you've been long on this channel, like every time I deep condition, I sit under a bonnet dryer because it helps for the products to penetrate. So comment in the section below what gadget you use to deep condition your hair, or probably you do a DIY. Comment in the section below, friends. So like I love interacting. Keep those comments coming, friends. So dear friends, if you belong on this channel, like I love reading very much. So I was reading, the title was The More Abundant Life. So how few really healthy people there are seem to be these days. A polite how are you usually elicits a description of some ache, pain, operation, or drugstore remedy for vitamin deficiency or that tired feeling. So everywhere, by every conceivable means, people are seeking relief from the stress, strains, and nervous tensions resulting from the fast tempo of modern living. So all about us are multitudes of these walking sick while every hospital, sanitarium, clinic, and mental home is crowded to capacity with some serious cases. So vital statistics issues that large insurance companies make the picture still worse. From this week learn that vast numbers now living will die of cancer, heart trouble, and other disease within the next few years. So surely God did not intend life to be like this. He did not. Your Bible is most definite on this point, dear friends. So when Adam was created, God gave him a constitution designed to last forever, sustained only by the choice products of nature and the fruit of the tree of life. So if he had not sinned, his teeth would never have decayed, his hair would never have fallen out, his eyes would have never grown dim, and his heart would never have gone on a beating forever and ever. So the abounding vitality he experienced on the first day of his life would have been his through all eternity. But of course, you know what, friends, one day God is going to make things right. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.